What's going on, everyone? Got a 2025 Cadillac XT4 key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace your battery. So if we look on the right side here, our first step is going to be to go ahead and push this button down and remove the door key that's in the bottom of the key fob. So we're holding down the button and we're going to release the key fob. Now our main goal is to take off this back panel right here. And if you look, there's not a good place to actually stick a small flathead screwdriver in without damaging the remote. So that's why we took out the door key. So right here is a slot right here where we can access the inner part of this door without making any marks on it. We can open it up. So if we look down in here, there's a little bitty tab that hangs down that's connected to it. And we're going to use the flathead screwdriver to get underneath it, and we're just going to pry it up. Okay, see how it popped it up like that? Then we can take it off. This does no damage to your key fob. These are real expensive. We don't want to damage the finish on this guy because it's super nice. You see how it has all the brushed trim on it and everything like that, an emblem. But this is actually the little tab that we're pushing up on through the little access hole that we have right here. Okay. So once we have that up, this is a weather seal right here. We'll go ahead and just lift this up, and that exposes the battery. So with the battery, what we want to do is kind of push it down past this locking tab that's right here and pry it out. It can be a little difficult. You're going to need a really small kind of flathead screwdriver to do it, but the motion is down at the crack and push it down and pull it out towards you. Then you'll be able to get it out. Now the battery size is a CR2450, and it's written right here on the front of the battery along with the positive sign. When you get your new battery, these are going to be facing out towards us. It's also written here in the remote too, in case there's no battery in your remote, or you can't read it, or there's no actual nothing on your battery written on the battery. Some of the aftermarket batteries don't have anything written on them, but positive sign facing out towards us. And then we just put the seal right over the top of it and work its way back down on it. Okay, it should just kind of just go on there. Work it on there. Make sure it's nice and watertight. All right. Now, if you need one of these batteries, there is a link in the description box and in the comment box for Amazon where you can pick up the exact same Panasonic battery that I have here. They're a really good deal on Amazon, and you know how Amazon is with the Prime. So if you need it right away, you can get it right away. So just click that if you want to go there and get one of those. And then all we got to do is get our back panel here and make sure we put it on the correct way. This little tab right here goes in first. We just lock it in. Snap it down like this, and then you get your door key. It should go right in and lock. If it does, you're all done. Well, I'd really appreciate it if you could support the channel by subscribing, commenting, and hitting the thumbs up button for me. That would be really, really appreciative. And I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.